A certain man who was, I dare say, not very remarkable. Short he was, and somewhat pockmarked, and somewhat on the carroty side, and somewhat even bleary-eyed, and a little bald in front, with symmetrically wrinkled cheeks and the kind of complexion termed hemorrhoidical. His name was Bashmachki. Already the name itself clearly shows that it formerly come from bashmak, a shoe, but when and at what time had it come from shoe, this is totally unknown. All of them, the father and the grandfather and even the brother-in-law, absolutely all the Bashmashkins used to wear boots, which they resold not more often than 3 times a year. Gogol was a strange creature, but genius is always strange. It is only your healthy second-rater who seems to be grateful reader of the wise old friend, nicely developing the reader's own notions of life. Great literature skirts the irrational. Hamlet is the wild dream of a neurotic scholar. Gogol's The Overcoat is a grotesque and grim nightmare, making black holes in the dim pattern of life. The superficial reader of that story will merely see it in the heavy frolics of an extravagant buffoon. The solemn reader would take for granted that Gogol's prime intention was to denounce the horrors of Russian bureaucracy. But neither the person who wants a good laugh nor the person who craves for books that make one think will understand what the overcoat is really about. Give me the creative reader, this is a tale for him.